Congratulations on your recent Küat accessory purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here is a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your accessory Molle hoop. A few things before you get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for an easier assembly. Pivot the rack arm out until it reaches a full 90 degrees. Once it's in position, secure it using the rack safety pin. Place the accessory Molle hoop onto the Pivot XD, aligning all the bolt holes. Using an M10 hex key and 19mm wrench, mount two M10 bolts into the bolt hole locations closest to the Pivot XD fulcrum, through M10 washer, pivot arm, another M10 washer, and nut. Install the shorter M10 bolt closest to the pivot handle, through M10 washer. This will bolt into a pre-installed nut in the Pivot XD. Torque to 40 Newton meters to ensure a safe and secure mount. If you have any questions while assembling this accessory, reach out to our customer service team by calling 877-822-5828. Don't forget, this accessory is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.